Hey everybody, this is Peter from Guitar Travels and I'm standing here at the Macha Pokhari bus station in Kathmandu. This is my bus that is gonna bring me to Syabru and I'm gonna start my Langtang trek. So it's kind of a easy-going morning for this bus, but I'm sure it's gonna get packed up before we get to the final points. I came here yesterday, there's a booth that you can buy tickets from. So I got me a ticket just to make sure that I have a spot on the bus. Then it turned out that we're just 3 people on the bus, but the other 2, some local ladies insist on taking my seat. I don't care, so I sat on a different spot. It's gonna be a long ride, probably between 7 and 9 hours from what I've read online. Let's hope for the fastest, but we'll see. So that's the bus and I'll keep you updated. If we reach the final destination not that late, I'll try to do some trekking even today. So it's funny when you get out of a taxi how you there are at least 5 people there approaching you and surrounding you, trying to sell tickets. They were extremely disappointed that I actually made the effort to come here yesterday and buy me a ticket. So no profit for them from me, but anyway, I'm sure they're gonna find their ways around. So that's the situation. The ticket was 950 Nepalese rupees, which is about $7, and usually people ask for 1,100 so they can make a bit extra for themselves, and I guess that's it. The bus started at 7 and 8:30, just I guess some 10-20 kilometers away from Kathmandu. We're off for the first break and here everybody's gonna get breakfast. I did that already in the morning. Now I guess everybody is hungry. Check it out. And this is the highway. Yeah, it's kind of cool. right now, right before my first trek, I don't want to eat at street vendors. That's what I do after the treks. So I just did something useful. I recharged my SIM card, the Nepalese SIM card for the data. So I have another 20 gigabytes. I don't believe this is a real 20 gigabytes because I bought them like 3 days ago and I didn't use it that much, but still, it sent me a text message that I'm already out of data. Anyway, so that's the place. Yeah, I play some guitar on my lunch break. Now check out this guy. All of these dust. I remember the first time I came to Nepal, I was really concerned about my backpack getting dusty on day 1. So the guy that was giving us a ride told me, man, if you are gonna do trekking in Nepal, you should not care about the dust. Now I truly don't care about the dust. It's just everywhere. I gotta go to the bus. Already in Syabru. I checked in with the tourist office here, and then I'm gonna go down the beach, check out for a room for me for the evening. I asked around, but the guest house over there up at wherever the bus stopped looked kinda I don't know if dodgy is the right word, but anyway, I didn't choose anything up there, so I'll go to the lowest part of the village and ask around. And tomorrow we're gonna start the trek in Langtang. This bus was very tiring. It's 3:30 p.m. and we started from 7 a.m. so it's been like 8 hours and a half on the bus. I'm really tired from sitting down on the bus with all these dust. Okay, anyway, I'll go and ask around over there. I asked around and I found the place. It looks kinda nasty, but it's okay. I got me a single bedroom for 300 rupees, which is like $2. I mean, it's not extremely clean, but it's okay. We're in the mountains and I have my own sleeping bag, so it's gonna do the job. The guy was very polite, and they said they can make me a nice dinner after I take shower because I'm starving. I'm still here in Syabru waiting for my dinner to get ready because at the lodge they told me that they are still preparing the dao bat, and I just want to show you because here we're gonna bump into a wedding preparation. It's kind of a big deal. There is a fuss going on. People are coming from different villages, and tomorrow there is gonna be a big wedding here. Most likely I will start my trek early in the morning and miss this thing, but We saw already a wedding with an orchestra in Kathmandu. Check it out. I'm guessing they're expecting like hundreds of people. It looks big. Right. They said that there is gonna be no orchestra, but still it's gonna be a big party, and everybody is excited about it. Big preparations happening. And here actually there is a helicopter stand. Is it the stand the right term? Right now is a motorbike. And that's the kitchen. Sadly I'll miss this thing, but I'm sure it's gonna be a big party. Well, beep beep. Alright, that's it.